How to cancel Ourtime subscription. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can cancel your Ourtime subscription or stop your Ourtime auto renewal. So for that, you need to go ahead and launch a web browser. Go to ourtime.com if you're using browser or desktop or laptop. Now go to your profile and then tap on the settings or the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen, and there you will see the option of manage a subscription. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you need to enter your password, so go ahead and enter your password and then click on cancel subscription. Answer a few short questions and then click on continue cancellation, and you will receive a confirmation number and the date that your subscription ends. And for mobile device, you can go ahead, tap on your profile in the bottom right of your screen. For that, you need to log in first. Then tap on the gear icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Then scroll down and tap on manage account. And then tap on manage a subscription. Enter your password and then tap on cancel subscription. Answer a few short questions and then tap on continue cancellation. You will receive a confirmation number and the date your subscription ends. If you've subscribed through the Apple Store, go to subscription in your phone settings, and after downgrading, your credit card will no longer be charged. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.